At the start of last year, I sold and donated all of my clothes, hired a stylist and started rebuilding my wardrobe from scratch. The weather's getting a little bit warmer now, so I'm starting to move away from my winter and autumn wardrobe and more into my summer wardrobe. And these are my May favourites as someone who is rebuilding their wardrobe from scratch. I'm actually going to start off with these because I got these last year from ASOS. I'll link them below. And I just have been shoving them on with any outfit I've worn, and I just really feel like it elevates it. I'm wearing Bermuda shorts today and a little vest, and just putting a bit of jewellery on to accessorise it has taken it from quite a basic outfit to something a little bit more interesting. I also actually love how bangles draw attention more towards like your waist hip area rather than kind of just one long outfit. Next up is this cotton smock dress. This is linked down below. It comes in a variety of different colours. I think it comes in a blue colour and maybe black or red or orange or something. Super lightweight. What's it made from? It is made from flax linen and viscose. But what I love about this, and this is something to look out for when you're shopping for your summer dresses, the balloon style dresses are really in at the moment. And I did try one of those on earlier this month that I ordered from Zara, but I just really feel like a bit of movement in a dress makes such a difference. And at the bottom of this, it's kind of the lining's folded over. So it's really quite heavy, which means that it doesn't go outwards and make you look big, which I think sometimes these dresses can do, but also because it's heavy on the bottom, it swings really nicely. So when I'm wearing it, it doesn't feel too rigid. So I think it's really, really flattering. And also it's got pockets, which is ideal because I wore this yesterday on the hottest day of the year so far. Today might be hotter, but I put my phone in my pocket rather than carrying a bag out with me just to get my steps in. Really nice and cooling. I can wear this so many different ways. I can wear this at home, I can wear it on holiday, and I just feel like I'll get a lot of wear out of this. And it wasn't that expensive either. I think it was maybe £40. So I just know that this will be in my wardrobe for a very long time. Okay, next up is this tank top, which I bought when I was over in Australia, and I've just ordered 2 more colours because it is such good quality. See if you can see that. It's kind of this like stretchy material. I'll put it on for you in a second, but it's really nice quality. It's really, really flattering. This is a size extra small. Just for context, I'm a UK size 12 and it's really kind of like cinching, and also you don't need to wear a bra with it because it kind of sucks the girls up, you know? Not that I'm super blessed in that area, but it's such a nice top, super flattering. Okay, hear me out. I've linked it below. It is expensive and I was dubious as well. But after having had this for a few months, like I need it in every single colour. I know it's going to last for ages. It is just such a good wardrobe staple, and the brown is such a lovely colour. So the colours that I've ordered are black and white, and I just know that they'll be in my wardrobe for a very long time. You can see now, this is, oh my God, it's just so flattering. It's so comfortable. It's like the perfect length, especially for me because I'm really tall. The only thing I will say is the new ones that I've ordered in a size small, just because it does have that tiny little bit of extra length, which makes all the difference when you're wearing shorts like this you've got that slight bit of visible skin. So yeah, really, really love this. Would highly recommend it. And as I said, I've linked it below. Okay, next up, another Australia purchase, sorry to say, but these sunglasses are just so great, and they weren't that expensive either. I think, I probably need to fact check this, but I think they were around £75. I can't say that that's how much they'll be if you order them to the UK from Australia, but I just love the pink colour of them. They're not designer. They are, I don't know what you'd call them. It's just like an optician out there. They're kind of like a bit like Jimmy Fairley, but in my opinion, everything in there, it's just quite cool Aussie versus Jimmy Fairley, which is more like chic French, you know? So different vibes, but love these, so great. I also bought my eyeglasses from there, which people always ask me where they're from, and they're from the same place. So I've linked both of those below. I did not think that this would become such a staple for me, but it has really surpassed my expectations. Full disclosure, this was actually gifted to me by the brand Tanier, however you say it. And at the moment you can see it's a sort of cross body vibe. The reason that this has been such a staple for me is I didn't realise how much I needed a black bag, to be honest with you. But the thing that I love the most about it is it comes with different length straps, and it means that you can wear it multiple ways, which I'm a big fan of. So you can either go like this and it becomes a kind of sort of evening bag, or you can put this strap on and it becomes a shoulder bag, which is how I've worn it the most. But I travel quite a lot for work with the wine side of my business. If you want to go and check that out, it's at Partner in Wine UK. I get invited on lots of lovely wine press trips, and this has come in so handy. And now she's a shoulder bag. Just think, like, she's just super chic, super cute, comes in a variety of different colours, so whatever your kind of colour preference is, you can choose. And most importantly, she fits a lot. And if you want to see how much she fits, if you go onto my YouTube shorts, there's a couple of videos on there where you can see exactly how much I can fit in here. And to answer any questions, yes, you can fit a Kindle in here. I really didn't want to love this as much as I do. I caved. I've got an LED mask, and I've been using this twice a day for the past month, very religiously. And the reason why is probably not why you expect. So the Shark mask has these cooling eye pads in, and it is literally like having a fridge on your face. It's like the weirdest sensation when you do it for the first time. But in my 30s, I started getting really puffy under eyes when I wake up in the morning, and this has been such a game changer. I've been using one of those gel masks in the mornings, and they heat up quite quickly, especially on really hot sunny days. And so this has been really nice. And actually, I've got into this really nice routine of getting out of the shower, obviously washing my face, cleansing, and then you put this on before you put any products on your face. And it kind of gives me like a nice 10 minutes of like sitting down time, not rushing around, just to kind of relax, especially if I've been to the gym in the morning or whatever. I don't feel like I need to get straight into my day. So it's been really nice having this. Have I seen any results yet? No, but I think it takes about 3 months. Also worth noting that I've had microneedling, which I had done last week, which again, I don't think you see the results for at least 3 times. So let's see. But the blue and red light therapy is meant to be really, really good for the recovery of microneedling. And the other thing is this has got, oh, what's it called? It's called like N something, that it's got it's not a coloured light, but it really helps with rosacea. And actually I have found that the redness on my cheeks has gone down. Whether or not that's due to this, the microneedling, or the next thing I'm going to show you, I'm not sure, but something's working, which is good, which means we'll continue with everything. Speaking of microneedling, I bought this after getting it done last week, and this has such good reviews, but I've never really needed it. I don't really ever feel like my skin really is damaged. And so this is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast B5 Soothing Balm. Really, really good for after microneedling. I haven't had any flaking, and I've been applying this like a thin layer in the morning and the evening, and then SPF over the top. But if I'm honest, I think it's probably a bit too heavy for my skin day to day. But if it's made, you know, being able to go outside bearable after microneedling for the few days afterwards, then that's a win for me. It also comes in a gel, which I probably will get, just because I think the gel might be slightly better for my skin type if I'm going to be using it day to day, which over the next few months, I think that I probably will. So yeah, really, really good. I've linked that below. You can buy it on Amazon. I actually went and got it from Boots because I needed it ASAP. But yeah, absolutely love this. The next thing on my list is, everyone always asks where my lipstick's from. It's not a lipstick, it's a lip stain. This is the Wonder Skin All Day Lip Stain. And normally I get it in the colour Whimsical, but they didn't have any in stock in Boots when I went in the other day. And so I got it in the, oh, can you see it? I don't think you can. I got it in the shade Charming, which is fairly similar to Whimsical. I wouldn't say it's as pink, but I'm not mad about it. I actually thought Whimsical was probably a little bit too pink for me. So, been loving that. Then, last beauty product is these Biodance Collagen Gel Toner Pads. Now, I also got these at the weekend after having my microneedling done because the woman who did it really recommended using collagen masks afterwards to stop flaking and like help to repair the skin. We've got Pure Soul near us, so I bought a few of these Abib collagen gel masks. Much quicker to absorb than the Biodance ones, which I do feel like sometimes I'm like, come on, like get in my skin already. So I just used that for about an hour, I think, and it's soaked in, which is great. But can't do those every day. So I got these pads, and what's really interesting about them is as you swipe them over your skin, they go from this like jelly consistency to that it's almost like the serum has actually come off them, and the pads start to go a bit more cottony, a bit like you would kind of expect a cotton wool pad to be like. So it really does feel like it's going into your skin. Only bought these just because of the microneedling. Day to day, I'm not sure if I would actually need them, but I don't use a toner, and so I thought it's probably time to start using something, especially for my wedding. Last thing on my May favourites is this. And I'm really sorry to say that this is another Australia purchase. All the girls in Bondi were wearing these, the Aussie gals. It's from a brand called K Juliet, and you can get them in loads of different colours. People actually wear these over their bikinis to the beach, over their swimming costumes to the beach. I don't do that because I don't live near the beach. I live in London, and but I love a dressing gown after I get out of the shower. Obviously, it's getting a little bit warmer, and so this is just like my absolute dream. It's made from towelage, and it's got these real cute little shells on them. And I got it in blue because I was going to get it in purple, like a lilac colour, because my husband-to-be's football team is purples, up the perps, and his day-to-day team is Everton, which is blue. So I went for the blue in the end, just because if I want to wear it before my wedding day, I'm not the kind of bride who wants to be wearing a white robe, to be brutally honest with you. So I thought that if I got this, I could wear it as my something blue on the morning of my wedding, should I want to. So super cooling, love it for after the shower. Just a very cute little summer robe. So that's it. I've linked everything below. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you come back soon. If you want to keep up with my fashion journey and how I'm rebuilding my wardrobe, please do comment any questions you have about that below, because I would love to make some more long form videos for you all about that. But otherwise, I will see you very soon, and stay tuned for my June faves. I'm going on my hen do next month, so prepare for that to be very wedding and bridal heavy. Make sure you click subscribe, stay tuned, because next month is my hen do. I will have some very special bridal themed June faves for you, so I can't wait to share those, and it's just going to be a very exciting time.